check this out. Look at that. It's going to be turbo nozzle time on this. Look. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sean from J&G Cleaning Solutions. So this is what we're dealing with today, a nice block paving driveway, quite mossy and weedy. Let's take a look. So this is what we've got, what we're dealing with. Some white spot. We're just sweeping up all the mess now, so we don't have as much to do with my pressure washing. But check this out. Look at that. It's going to be turbo nozzle time on this. Look. Got good water pressure though, over there. Look at this, thick. And then over here, more white spot, this will all come up. And then more moss, moss everywhere. Grass everywhere. Check it out. It's going to be a challenge this one. It all runs downhill towards the road. I've corded it off and then we'll clean up the road once we're done. So that's the area we're cleaning. Should be an awesome transformation. You can see it from here. Look at that down there. Look at that. So yeah, this will be a good one. Okay guys, so I hope you're going to enjoy this one. It's going to be quite a sloppy one. Thank you for watching the videos, liking, subscribing. Thank you for all the subscribers that I've already got. 514 or 17, something like that. It'd be good if I can start pushing up again, have another wave of subscribers. It'd be absolutely amazing. So yeah, enjoy the video. Sean, you always tell Philip to take the bucket off.
Work smart, not hard, they say.
Yeah. And we're getting better at working smart.
I know I am.
Hi guys, as you can see, it's quite a messy one. We've got two piles of slop already. We are going to use polypropylene bags to put the slop in. We have had it on the dry part of the drive, so water has sort of come out of it. But we're going to put it into the polypropylene bags. Shout out to Jake from Diamond Exterior Cleaning, and who I think it was Chad UK, I think it helped Jake. So anyway, here's my slop. The only thing with these bags is you can't use a snow shovel.
No.
Which
That's not right.
all that slop. There's one. Side, changing its flat surface. One lot of slop. So that's going to sit in this bag, drain, and then it's going to go around the customer's garden patch. It does work that, because there's the water coming out of the bag. Lovely. Anyway, got to crack on. Okay guys, job complete. This is an amazing transformation. Take a look at this. Are you ready? So here we are. Look at that. Wowzers. Where all the garden was. All gone. Check that. Clean. It's all up here. All gone, all clean. And it was bad over by the garage. All clean. I'll stick some before and after photos up at the end of the video. But wow. Check that. Superb. Over the moon. So ladies and gents, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment. Another patio to clean on Thursday. A bit smaller than this one, but very grimy. So it'll be a good clean. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Cheers.